Nah, nah udah tuh recording.
Wah, kok hilang? Ini Canva-nya kan ini yang ke-share?
Iya, Canva.
Oh, ya, ya, ya. Kok nggak bisa dipindah?
Teguh kecil.
Kecil kah? Hah?
Enggak. Berarti nanti aku ini reupload lagi ke YouTube.
Ah, ah.
Oke.
Ya, kok nggak bisa ya? Nggak bisa share kecil ya?
Nanti kalau ke record juga bakal ini kok hasilnya. Bakal jelas pokoknya. Siapa opening?
Coba.
Aku aja deh.
Ya,
Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I and my friend gonna presentate about operational analysis of Travelmore. So Travelmore is a travel business based in Yogyakarta, and for the first slide, uh, Akila gonna take it. So next, Akila, you can presentate now.
oke. Um, uh, in the first in the first slide, we explain how Travelmore design its products and services. So Travelmore offers custom travel package, so customers can choose and change daily trips based on their needs. This is very suitable for Gen Z travelers because they like flexibility. To make sure the service fit customer needs, we use this method, quality of function deployment or house of quality. From this table, customer needs such as flexibility, clear pricing, fast response, and comfort comfort are connected to service features. The symbols show how strong and relationship and the results show that some customer needs are already met, but some parts still need improvement. So our recommendation are as the first improve service using customer feedback and also over more flexible than travel package. So in uh, quality management problems in daily operations to find the main causes, we use a fishbone diagram, this method. From the analysis, quality problems come from several factors. First, in human, service quality is not always the same, and training is not done regularly. And the second, in methods, SOPs are not very clear and service evaluation is rare. And the third, in vehicles, checking and maintenance are still limited. And the last, in environment, coordination with partners is sometimes slow, especially during busy seasons. And this shows that quality problems are connected to each other. So therefore, our solution are regular training for drivers and tour guides, and then clear SOP for all service steps, and better quality control with partners. And the process design and capacity on Travelmore. We explain Travelmore manage its work process and capacity. Travelmore has two situations in low season and high season. During high season, demand increase. This can cause a lack of hikers and walks. To analyze this, we use this method or PPART. The results show some critical activities such as recruiting freelance works and training staff and completing the website system. And then these activities are very important to prepare for high demand. So the operational analysis in project timeline based on this method, calculating using KM for Windows, the total operational preparation time for Travelmore is estimated to be 26 days, and in critical path, the critical path that determines the project duration is from market research to forecast and fleet booking and fleet QC and last website or system. So our recommendations are better demand forecasting and more partner cooperation and more freelance work. So orders do not need to be rejected during peak season. So for location strategy Travelmore, Travelmore is based in Yogyakarta, one of the main tourist cities in Indonesia. Because most services are digital, the office location is not a big problem. In this analysis, we use regional demand analysis to see where tourists come from and the center of gravity method to find the best coordination point. The results shows that Yogyakarta is still a good location because it is close to partners and tourist areas. However, the data also show high demand in places like Bali. So our recommendation is keep Yogyakarta as the main office and slowly consider expansion to high demand areas. So in layout strategy, for layout strategy Travelmore, I will explain the booking process at Travelmore. First, customer contact Travelmore through WhatsApp or website. Then the data goes to the marketing team, and then marketing team. So is the package available? Yes or no? If no, is our alternative and then back to customer. If yes, admin enters the data, and finally the trip is carried out and confirm partner availability, and then admin inputs order data into the system, so customer can make payment, and then so on until end. So from this process, we find some problems. Many steps are still manual. Coordination takes time, and the data is entered more than once. So we recommended using an integrated digital system. This will speed up communication, reduce mistakes, and make admin work more efficient. So the next slide, it will be continued with my friend.
Okay. Next, we have supply management. Travelmore uses a partnership-based supply chain, which is supports its asset light model, and the key partners include vehicle rentals, hotels, and tourism service providers. Early coordination with partners help ensure service availability, especially during high season. However, limited partner availability can still cause service constraints. Therefore, expanding and diversifying partners is important to reduce peak season risks. Next. Okay. Next we have inventory management. For inventory management, Travelmore's inventory mainly consists of vehicle availability and manpower capacity. Advanced vehicle reservations helps reduce shortages, but during high season demand can still exceed supply. This often leads to temporary booking closures. And to improve this condition, a real-time inventory tracking system is recommended so planning can be more accurate and responsive. Next. And for this scheduling, we will discuss the scheduling. Scheduling is currently planned based on low and high season demand patterns. Early scheduling help manage peak demand, but sudden demand spikes or last minute bookings can disrupt plans. Since scheduling is still mostly manual and experience based, using digital scheduling tools can improve accuracy and responsiveness. Next. And last, we have maintenance. For maintenance, there is a company-owned vehicle are protected through insurance coverage. Partner vehicles must also comply with insurance requirements and standard operating procedures. Quality control is conducted to ensure cleanliness, comfort, and safety before trips. Maintenance risks are minimized through insurance-based handling, but regular audits and stricter SOP enforcement are still recommended. Next. And thank you. That concludes our presentation on a personal analysis of Travelmore. Thank you for your attention. Thank you, Mr. Punang. And yeah, I'm sorry for our mistake.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Nah,
Udah
oke.
berarti ya.
Ih,
Ntar
kelihatannya
tinggal
udah
aku
nih.
upload berarti.